hang with you.
Calm down.
Look at this one. Is it because I want to help you? Eh? Because I want to help you. Look at you. Is it because I'm praising you? Look at this one, though.
Open. Transport.
Oh, wow, this guy. Now my fellow men, I call they see for this stand. So this guy, and you know, no say for if. Bless say this guy not know say if Uncle Choice enter town, say everywhere supposed to dey happen. I go come this kind place. No babe, wetin I just dey see na my fellow men. I did tell me say if I enter town, say babe food this time. If I leave me make I dey where I dey now, for there Abuja when I dey the ball. Which kind thing be this? How you go carry me come town when babe everywhere just dry? Yeah, which kind thing be this one now? That's how I go call this guy yo. I call her. I no go dey spend money for person. Yeah, I no babe to roll with for town. Which kind of thing be this? Might even call this guy self. Wow. Hello? Amos. Wait oh. Now like this you tell they do your own. Now this kind of package now you they do. I tell you say if I come town, say may you arrange babe keep. Now you not arrange keep. You tell me say anywhere when I dey pass. Except if I babe food, better any kind of babe when I want. Dey for the town. Now they roll for the town since I don't pass almost all the street now my fellow men are they see. I tell you say I be Gabriel. Which kind of thing be that one now? I don't understand how you dey roll for your team no. Continue. You now so you dey do your own arrangement. Yes, so all the whole money I dey spend for you. You don't know say you go to keep this for me. Child. Now you supposed to arrange the babe. Now it's okay. My walk out for street. Say my pick anyone when I like. Since when I don't drive almost 10 street for this town. Now men, where even get muscle. Now they see. I not even. Now one for you. Here is God.
Oh my God.
Hello.
What are you trying to say?
Come now.
You think say they wise?
Let me ask you. How are you?
Good afternoon, fine.
What is the name?
Luna.
Luna. Are you heading my way?
What are you trying to say?
How will I know where you are going to?
Oh my bad. Sorry for that, but I think I would like us to move.
You think say they wise?
Just come with me.
Are you sure you are capable of taking care of me? Can you pay my bills?
I don't understand. It's like you are new in this town. This is Odogu Uncle Choice. Jesus! I don't think if you have met somebody like me, I will shock you.
What are you trying to say?
I will shock you. Don't worry, just come with me. I will shock you.
Think say they wise?
Maybe this is your testimony time.
Can you pay my bills?
I say this is Odogu Uncle Choice. It's your first time of meeting person like me. But let's go. Test and see. Test and see.
You can pay my bills though. So what do you want?
Ask me what I want. Why will I meet a pretty girl like you? Just go like that. At least you should know that you have to spend the night with me.
So do you mean till dawn?
Continue. Yes, exactly. It's like you know what's up. Let's run it till dawn, okay?
My bill is not cheap. Oh.
How? You know that you are speaking with to Odogu Uncle Choice.
Odogu. My bill is 25 million.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
What is it?
They never show you say.
No.
This guy won't break my head.
What are you saying now? Is it 25,000 or what? What do you mean by it?
25 million. I'm a proud gold digger, digging gold.
You think say they wise?
I don't understand. Did I tell you? Wait, have you ever seen 5 million in your life?
Even though.
No, let me see your account balance. Let me see your account balance.
My phone is off. My battery is
off. You have not seen 5 million in your life.
That you know who my father is?
No. Let me see your account balance.
I said my phone is down.
Your father. Who is your father in the country?
You don't want to know.
No, what is the name of your father in the country? Telling me 25 million naira for a night.
You don't have money. You want to follow me.
No,
You're a proud gold
if
digger.
you are not serious, you tell me. Yeah? I can take care of you, but you telling me 25 million naira is an insult to me. What do you mean by that?
If I stop this, I want to get down. Stop it. Stop, Oga.
Did I tell you that I want to sleep with all your village people, including your parents? What do you mean by that?
You don't have money. Stop.
Stop. If you want to come down, you come down. What's wrong with you?
I will come down.
Look at this one. Is it because I want to help you? Eh? Because I want to help you. Look at you. Is it because I'm praising you? Look at this one, though.
Open. Transport. Hey. Don't be like this. Come down.
Why are you running?